As a reminder, viewer discretion is advised, and check out the link below for Meta 7.
Okay, all right, put that one back down. I'm here with the famous Shark Baby Seal. How you doing, Shark Baby Seal? You're laughing. Bless your heart. Wait, let's show the old leg wound here. Yeah, you know what? That's healed up very, very well. It still looks good. And over here you have a new wound, which, when did this happen?
Friday afternoon.
It was Friday, today's Tuesday, so just a few days ago. And you called and requested some antibiotics, and we got you some, and said get her in so we can follow up and see what's going on. And by the way, your sister's here. Is Cookie your nickname?
Yes, I'm Shark Baby.
We have Shark Baby Seal and her sister Cookie. Hi, Cookie.
Hi, Cookie.
Hi, Cookie, okay. All right, so we're just following up on this, and you can see there's a little bruising around this, and you were in your electric?
Yeah.
Okay, and you turned,
Scooter.
hit a scooter, you hit a dustpan, you said?
I was holding the dustpan, and I turned around to start sweeping up, and the edge of the dustpan hit the couch, and it bounced over.
Oh, okay. All right, and so you started some antibiotics, and you know what, this really doesn't look that bad. It's got a little bruising, and you can see that kind of over in this area there, a little bruising, right? And the wound itself looks clean, so I think that we'll just keep you on the antibiotics for a few days, just more of a prevention than anything else. And I want you to put clean, dry dressing on this. In fact, I'll ask Gumby Jean to come in and do that for you here in just a minute.
Excellent.
But going forward, no ointments. Just keep it clean and covered, and I think you'll do fine. If you have any problems at all, you just, you can let me know.
Hi, fans.
No.
Did you enjoy Shark Week? I did.
All right. Well, I think people will enjoy hearing from Shark Baby Seal again. And her sister Cookie. Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta 7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, well, for 1 month, actually.
And
I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And, yes, a lot
and
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta 7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
energy.
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta 7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Check out the Amazon link below for Dr. Gilmore's Pimple Popper Toolkit.